Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app allows you to link your park tickets, Magic Key Pass and MagicBand Plus to your Disney accounts for a smoother park experience. Once everything is connected, you can manage admission, make reservations, redeem eligible lightning lane entries, and use your MagicBand Plus for supported park features. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to do that. So the first thing is open the Disneyland mobile app. First, launch the app, open the Disneyland app, sign into your Disney account, type your profile or menu icon. You are now ready to manage tickets and devices, like link your park tickets or Magic Key Pass, like so. Next, add your admission, like open menu, tap my tickets and passes, tap like select link tickets and passes or tap the plus button. Okay, scan the ticket barcode or manually enter the ticket ID. Okay, now add your MagicBand, like now connect your MagicBand Plus, like return to the menu here. Okay, tap MagicBand Plus. Okay, and then select add MagicBand Plus and follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, and then pair your MagicBand Plus, like during setup, turn on your MagicBand Plus, enable Bluetooth or your phone, follow the prompts to complete pairing. Your MagicBand Plus will be linked to your Disney account. Okay, then assign your MagicBand Plus to your tickets or Magic Key Pass, like once pairing is complete, select your MagicBand Plus, tap assign admission and choose the linked park tickets or Magic Key Pass. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.